boys and girls, this is our secret town job right here. It is a freaking mess. All this was full of dead pine trees, and if you look close you can still see some down the hill there, which we didn't really know it went as far as it did. It goes down there steep enough we might not be able to get that section down there, which I don't even know if we were planning on getting it or what, but I don't know how many trees we're taking out today. But we had to finish up some mulching trees yesterday. What we're doing, because it's just too steep over here to do much, and we got the skidder here, so I'm making piles with the excavator, dropping trees. I can push some of them over, then I just cut the stump, and then we got to fall some of the bigger ones, but just letting them bomb down. But I'm setting them up, making skids for the drags for the skidder, and he's taking them all the way up top to a flat spot where we're cleaning them up, sorting out what logs we can, what's merchantable to take to the sawmill, and not a lot of it. We might have got 2 loads so far, but we spent the morning doing this. Mess after a little while cleaning it up. Got 3 drags of logs came out of it. We mulched for about 30 minutes maybe, and all the rest of this is just going to get mulched. That one is just barely too small to make a mill log, and that one's rotten. So I don't know how long this will take us to mulch this crap up. Maybe an hour. Okay, closing up shop for the day. This is our pile. Up there at the peak it is about 5 feet thick, and overall this pile is about 90 feet long or so, maybe 100. 5 feet thick, it tapers down. It's probably still right here by my hand, like this area, it's still 3 feet thick at least. So we're going to spread this out all over this place rather than make water bars and stuff. But we're out in the woods, so it's not, you know, nobody's going to be building a house out here soon, so we got a little leniency on how clean it's going to be, but we're going to try still. But hope you guys liked the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you tomorrow or the next day or something. But have a good day. Thanks.